Good morning, YouTube. What's going on, you guys? Dino in the back. Of course, his K24 Civic. No, it's the Accord. Come on now. Anyways, 2002 Accord. B4. Just oil change. Slight maintenance. Got to keep them rolling right, you know. Now this one's just in the driveway. Make sure y'all come through. Come see your boy. Say what's up. Takes only like a couple minutes to do some shit. Teach y'all kinds of shit. As you can see, I'm about to give Dean the camera. Let him shoot some wild footage. I apologize right now for what kind of video we get, but it's all great. Let's go.
All right. Axel's out here just teaching your young boy how to change some oil. He's the man. Stripped the nut a little bit, but recovered with hammering the socket wrench on there. She's about to get some nice and wet.
About to tell how long you're overdue on your oil change.
Oh God.
And if you've been hot rodding this bitch around town and shit.
Oh no. Don't spill my secrets.
That's hot.
Is it?
And
Go ahead.
You know that Charlie Brown character with the dirt that just flies around him in all the cartoons? What's his name? Pigpen?
Oh.
Dean, you're my Pigpen, bro.
Oh God, I knew you were gonna say that.
Oh, that's nasty. That is genuinely really freaking gross. So, almost done with stage one. Just gonna let this bad girl drain out. And by mechanics law, whenever you get a 5, smoke break. Get back to you in just a second.
What's your username?
Axel Boynton. Anyways, I'm just gonna get on my Instagram, and then you can DM yourself from my phone, and then you'll have my information. That work?
For sure.
Alright, cool. So that's it, peeps. We got old Dino loading up the tools in the car. Just did a full service oil change. Took about 30 minutes. OG subscriber from back in the day came to decide to visit me. Got it all done. And there you go. There's your proof. No, we're very responsible people and very responsible places.
Did it, Axel. We did it, baby.
You do realize that's like demonetization right there? Like, I can't use that now. Dean, you just ruined the whole video.
Is it family friendly?
No, it's not family friendly anymore after that statement. Anyways, it's always a great time hanging out with me. It's always fun. Could learn a few things. I don't mind. I take care of the kids. Because in the end, it's all about the kids anyways. True. Gosh, she's sexy.
The first one's like a minute left, just this one.
In the snow. So, just like that, guys. Got another one done. And it's time to head to work. Y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed getting to meet Dean. It's always nice to see you guys when you guys come over. But for now, your boy gotta go make burgers. So looks like we're gonna have to see y'all later. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. If you have questions, comment. I might answer. If not, that's it. Deuces.